Guys, what's up? So today we are going to be continuing our palette journey, and today we're going to be using the OPV Beauty Spotlight palette. So if you want to know how I got this look, then just stay tuned. Okay, so right now I'm just applying a little bit of primer. This is the Touch in Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. Today we are going to be wearing the Lancome Teint Idol Ultra Wear foundation. I'm just going to apply that to my Stands Out Beauty sponge. You guys know how I love this sponge, and then just apply it to the face. What I love about this foundation is you can apply just like a one layer and it kind of looks like your skin, or you can build it up to make it more full coverage. Okay, so now I'm just taking the Lancome all over concealer and just applying that to the high points of my face. I have this huge little friend hanging out here on my cheek. Let's just ignore that. Okay, so today we're also going to be using this new Moda brush kit that I received in the mail yesterday. This is the Metallic Brights 10-piece signature set. And just like every other Moda brush kit, this kit is also cruelty-free and vegan. I am just setting all of those areas using the Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil Powder. All right, so now I'm taking the contour brush from that kit and applying some of Benefit's Hoola Bronzer. So now I'm applying a little blush to the apples of my cheeks. This is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in the shade Tropic Hues. Super pretty. Okay, so now I'm using the fan brush from that kit and I'm applying a little Laura Geller High Def Glow, Illuminator Duo. This is in the shade Heart of Gold, or the kit Heart of Gold, excuse me. And then the shade names on the back are Shimmer and Sparkle. I personally like to just mix the two together and just apply them to my face. Okay, so now I'm just doing my brows. I'm using a little bit of Benefit Pomade Brow Pomade for this. Just kind of flicking the product through my brows and creating some like faux hairs that aren't there, because let's be real, I have zero brows. But yeah, I just kind of spoolied what I do have up, and now I'm just creating some faux hairs. Okay, so today we are going to be using the OPV Beauty Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Public Eye First, which is right up here at the top. I'm just taking that on my Moda crease brush from that same kit and just applying that right there above the crease and blending upwards. Okay, so now I'm taking a mixture of Dazzle Night and All That Sparkle right up here at the top. I'm just kind of mixing those two together and applying them directly into the crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Hank & Henry's W3 Color Canvas Paint. This is like a concealer, it's like a base. You can pretty much do whatever you want with these. Cut the crease, I'm in love with them. And I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. I'm also going to slightly cut the crease with this as well. Okay, so I'm filming like several different things all at once, and I forgot to come on here and do my lid with you guys. So what I am taking is Dirty Martini up here at the top, and that is going right into the center of my eye. And then I'm taking a little bit of Show, and that's going right towards the front of the eye. So now I'm taking a mixture of All That Sparkle and Exposure, which is the black at the bottom. And I'm just taking that on this Triad eye brush. I love these brushes by Moda because they're more triangular. So they really fit into that outer corner area so well. I'm just kind of smoking that out a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going in with Hank & Henry's Miss Thing Liquid Lipstick. And I am just going to apply this to the waterline area. Okay, so now I'm taking a little bit of this color canvas paint by Hank and Henry called Baby Blue, and I am just taking that right underneath that liquid lipstick, just as a base for the blues that we will put down. Okay, so first what we're starting out with is this shade right here, and this is called Sparkle. It's like a really dark kind of navy blue, and that's gonna go right out here. Then we're gonna go in with Dream, which is this royal blue down here at the bottom. And now we're gonna take Hype and Limelight. Hype will go right next to Dream, and then Limelight is gonna go right into that inner corner lower lash line area. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a little bit more of that black and just apply it to this outer area here and cover that blue a little bit just so it kind of smokes together with that outer corner. I'm taking that same liquid lipstick that we used on our waterline area, and I'm just dragging that out away from the waterline area and kind of winging it out. I am also outlining the front of the eye. And then we're gonna take some Romantic Beauty liner. This is the Pearl Liquid Liner. I'm going to apply this in the inner corner area where this pink is on the lid. Okay, so now I'm just taking a little bit of this Romantic Beauty Bright Liquid Liner in the light blue shade, lining my eye, and I also outlined my brow a little bit. Applying a little Laura Geller mascara. So now I'm just applying some lashes. These are the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in the style Kiss Me. And I'm just applying those to my eyes. And for lips today, I'm applying this Laura Geller lipstick. This is in the shade Broadway Glitz. And it is a beautiful kind of like purple with like blue glitter flakes. So I thought it would go really, really well with these eyes. All right, you guys, well, that is the final look using the OPV Beauty Spotlight Palette. I did add a little bitty heart to cover up my crazy looking friend that I had hanging out there. I thought it was just a cute little touch. Maybe not. You didn't have to add it if you didn't want to, you know what I'm saying? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial using the OPV Beauty Spotlight Palette. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.